In the last two videos, we looked at the most common sounds of the letter I. Here are a few more sounds. 1. The schwa sound It's a quick, neutral vowel sound, especially in unstressed syllables. Examples: family, animal. 2. The long sound E. Mostly, these are found in words of French, Italian or Greek origin. Examples: machine, police, ski. 3. Finally, the long sound especially in words followed by the letter R. Examples: girl, first, bird. Type out more such words in the comment section below. Silver Tongue, we transform lives.